So Jose from OnlyWoodFloors, and I'm here with Susan in Long Beach. And go ahead.
Hi. Jose gave me a quote right away. He came out to see me pretty quickly too. We actually extended the job and he was willing to accommodate me, which was wonderful because we sort of had a time crunch, so that was very good. I did make a couple of changes on transition pieces, which they were excellent in accommodating me for and answered all of my questions. And everything is beautiful. The way that everything was done with little or no residue from the wood was wonderful, so my house basically isn't quite as dusty as I was expecting it to be. Yeah, that's the added bonus.
Okay, perfect. Somehow I hope you're happy.
I am.
Perfect. Thank you very much.